Right, hi folks. Hopefully you'll have printed off some of the resources and you will be sitting in front of a sheet that looks a little bit like this. Okay, there we are. Now, if you can't print that out, you can get a piece of paper and set it up like I'm doing here. So you need two lines going across, about 2 centimetres between them, and then split them in two and draw your treble clef. Just in case you've forgotten how to draw your treble clef, it's that number 6, hat on it, down and flick. Number 6, hat on it, down and flick. That's how I draw them. And you just need one at the start, okay? So, I'm going to allow you to use the crotchet, the quavers, the minims, and the semi-quavers today. So that's our caterpillars. And if you remember, they need 2 lines. Yeah, 2 lines. So that's our little menu. And on the top of this sheet, you can see you've got that menu there. Okay. Now, the reason why we've got 2 lines is you're going to play this using a pan or a cup or something like that. But as well as hitting the cup, you're also going to hit the tabletop. Okay. Or you can get 2 different pans or 2 different cups. So this top line will be for one and the bottom line will be for another. So for my demo, I'm going to show you, I'm going to hit my drum for the top line, and for the bottom line, I'm going to hit the desk. Okay. So you'll hear the 2 sounds. Here's the drum. Here's the desk. So I've got 2 different noises, and that's all you need, just 2 different sounds. So this top line here, that's going to be my drum. I'm going to write a little D for drum and a little T for table, just to remind myself, okay? And each of these bars needs to add up to 4. So I'm going to draw a crotchet here on my drum. I'm going to start with a drum, and then I'm going to hit the table for a tadpole. And then I'm going to go back to the drum, and I'm going to hit the table for a crotchet. So it's going to go crotchet, quavers, crotchet, crotchet, and it's going to go drum, table, table, drum, table, boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, frog, tadpole, frog, frog. So I'm going to show you how that works. So here's my drum. It was drum, table, okay, and now I'm going to do my second bar. I want to do a caterpillar on my drum. There's semi-quavers, so 4, 1 line, and don't forget your second line, otherwise there'll all be quavers. So caterpillar, and then I'm going to do a tadpole on the table, and then I'm going to do a 2 frogs on the drum, and that's that bar full. 1, 2, 3, 4, all adds up to 4. So it goes caterpillar, tadpole, 2 frogs. All right, and that's how your composition works. So on your sheet or on your piece of paper that hopefully looks like that, you decide which one of your sounds is going to be the top line and which one is going to be the second. And then write in, make sure each of these bars adds up to 4, and then have a little go and see if you can play the 2 different sounds following your composition. All right, so that's your first task. The second task after the video is there's going to be another clip on how to read music, just to remind you, and then you can stop that whenever you want, and you can have a go at that music sheet that's also attached. Okay, if you can't print out the sheet, I suggest you watch the video so you can just make sure you're getting the right notes and things. But as I say, if you feel confident, you can just stop the video after that refresher and then fill in the sheet. All right, so that is today's lesson. You're going to do a composition and a bit of music reading. All right, guys.
Every good boy deserves football. So the musical note will have this line going through it, and that's where the E will be. Same for the G, the B, the D, and the F. So we're going to use the rhyme to work out this note. As you can see, the line is going through the middle of the circle, so we know it's a line rhyme. Every good boy deserves football. So we start at the bottom. Every good boy deserves football. So this is on the B line, and we'll check. Every good boy deserves football. So the note is a B. Let's try the next one. Use your rhyme. You can see there's a line through it, so it's every good boy deserves football. Every good boy deserves football. So you will say the note is an E. Let's try the next one. You can see the line through it. Use the rhyme. See if you can work it out. Keep it in your head. Every good boy deserves football. I'm hoping you said it was an F. Let's try the next one. Work it out. Use the rhyme. Every good boy deserves football. And you should have said it was a G. And the last one. Every good boy deserves football. And you should have said the note was a D. That's right. So those are the lines. Now, as well as the lines, you have 4 spaces here. F, A, C, E. And I will show you. F, A, C, E. So, again, let's have a look. Here's one of the notes. You can see there is no line through it. It's in the space. So we use the rhyme. Face is in a space. F, A, C, E. So this note is an E. Face is in a space. That's the rhyme. Let's try this one. F, A, C, E. So it's an A. Let's try the next one. Again, there's no line through it. It's in between, so it's in a space. F, A, C, E. So the note is a C. And the last one. F, A, C, E. And the note is an F. So now you know the 2 rhymes, we can put them together and we can work out words. At the top here you will see I've written the 2 rhymes in case you forget. Every good boy deserves football if it's got a line in the middle. And face if it's in a space. And remember to always start at the bottom. We'll do the first one together, and then the next few I'm going to let's see if you can work them out. So this one has got a line. We're on every good boy deserves football. Every good boy. So underneath here I'm going to write a B. Now this one is in a space. Look, there's no line in it, so I use faces in a space. F, A. And then this one, look, we can see a line. Every good boy deserves. So it's a D. And I've spelt the word bad. Now the next one, see if you can have a go by yourself. Use the rhymes. Look for a line. Look for a space. Okay, let's see how you did. So this is a line. So we're on every good boy deserves football. Every good boy. So you should have written a B. You can see clearly it's in a space. F-A-C-E for face. And we go back to the line. Every good boy deserves. So you've got the word bed. Okay, let's see how you get on with the next one. So we have a line, every good boy. We have a space, F-A. And we have a line, every good. So the word was bag. Now, for the next few slides, I'm going to show you the 3 notes. I'm going to give you 10 seconds and then I'm going to show you the answer. So your teacher can pause the video if you need longer to work out the notes, which I'm sure you will at this stage. So your 10 seconds start now. And again, if you need to pause it, pause it. And here is the answer. E, G, G for egg. The next word. Here are your 10 seconds. Here is the answer. A, D, D for add. Here is your next 10 seconds. Here is the answer. F, A, B for fab. Here is your next 10 seconds. Here is your answer. F, E, E for fee. Here is your next 10 seconds. F, A, D for fad. Here are your next 10 seconds. And here are the answers. A, C, E for ace. Next word. And the answer, A, G, E for age. Next word. B, E, G for beg. Next word. B, E, E for bee. Next word. D, A, D for dad. Next word. D, A, B for dab. Next word. F, E, D for fed. Next word. A, G, E, D for aged. Next word. They're going to get longer. B, A, B, E for babe. Next word. B, E, A, D for bead. Next word. C-A-F-E for cafe. Next word. C-A-G-E for cage. Next word. D-E-A-F for deaf. Next word. D-E-A-D for dead. Next word. E-D-G-E for edge. Next word. F-A-C-E for face. Next word. F-E-E-D for feed. Next word. A-D-D-E-D for added. Next word. B-A-D-G-E for badge. Next word. C-A-G-E-D for caged. Next word. E-G-G-E-D for egged. Next word. F-A-D-E-D faded. Next word. B-A-G-G-E-D for bagged. Next word. B-E-G-G-E-D. Next word. D-E-F-A-C-E for deface. Next word. G-A-G-G-E-D for gagged. And your last word. C A B B A G E, cabbage. A perfectly timed bell. Right guys, hope you did well with that, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.